From the peculiar pits excavated in Algeria to the eerie figure standing in the hallway of a French home resembling a human, our world is filled with enigmatic places where inexplicable occurrences take place. Welcome back, dear ZimVoice viewers, to another fascinating exploration of Google Earth mysteries, Antarctica's enigmatic face. Our journey begins in Antarctica, where the icy terrain hides an astonishing feature captured through satellite imagery. Nestled among the frozen peaks is what appears to be a colossal human face. Some interpret it as a natural representation of Antarctica's severe environment, while others theorize that it is linked to the one-eyed Dajjal. Jing. Upon closer examination, the formation exhibits distinct facial features, including a closed eye, a defined nose, lips, and forehead, giving it an uncanny resemblance to a sculpted face. Despite its recent emergence in discussions, historical satellite images from 2009 confirm its long-standing presence. Measuring about 1 kilometer in length and 500 meters in width, this phenomenon exists in such an isolated part of Antarctica that no human has ever physically reached it. A plane wreck beneath the Bahamian waters. Moving to Bowles Cay Harbor in the Bahamas, a paradise known for its pristine waters, we encounter the remnants of a downed aircraft visible via Google Earth. This wreck belonged to a Cessna 402 that crashed on July 10, 1997, a mere 2 kilometers from the airport after a brake failure. In an effort to prevent a catastrophe, the pilot made the difficult decision to avoid landing on the runway. Miraculously, all 7 passengers and the pilot survived. Submerged for years, the wreckage resurfaced in 2019 when the water level receded, making it visible from above. An unusual figure in Nancy, France. Next, we head to Nancy, France, where an otherwise ordinary 2-story home conceals a mystifying entity. Captured on Google Street View, an unidentifiable humanoid figure sparked debates. Some claimed it was paranormal, while skeptics believed it to be a statue. However, what deepens the mystery is Google's decision to blur the image. Even more perplexing is the absence of any known records or AI-generated matches of a similar statue in existence. Kazakhstan's giant pentagram. Near Lysakovsk, Kazakhstan, an enormous pentagram is etched into the earth, visible near a lake. While the symbol has been used in various cultural and religious contexts, conspiracy theories suggest it might be linked to occult practices. Historians, however, argue that the Soviets created this design as part of a planned park, with satellite images from 1985 backing this claim. Sudan's mysterious lips formation. In the Sudanese desert, nature has sculpted an incredible feature, a rock formation resembling giant human lips. At 250 feet in height, the combination of natural rock textures and desert hues gives the illusion of human-like lips when viewed from above. Australia's floating forest. In Sydney, Australia, a surreal sight awaits in the Parramatta River, a seemingly floating jungle. This is actually the abandoned SS Airfield, a ship built in 1911. After 61 years in service, it was sent to be scrapped in Homebush Bay in 1972, but dismantling never took place. Over time, mangrove trees flourished on its remains, transforming it into a stunning natural landmark and a popular attraction for photographers and tourists. Finland's silent scarecrows. A remote Finnish field appears covered in tiny white specks from a satellite view, but closer inspection reveals hundreds of scarecrows, named the Silent People. This haunting art installation was crafted by Reijo Kela in 1994. Each scarecrow wears real clothes, which are changed regularly. This eerie yet fascinating display has since become a tourist attraction, complete with a nearby cafe for visitors. Syria's looted ancient city. The ancient ruins of Apamea, Syria, once a UNESCO World Heritage Site, have suffered extensive damage due to treasure hunting. Satellite images from 2011 expose thousands of excavation pits, evidence of looting during the Syrian civil war. By 2012, the sheer scale of destruction was apparent, with countless historical artifacts stolen for the black market. Russia's mysterious floating circles. In the Barents Sea, satellite images revealed 16 massive circular objects floating on the water, connected by cables to a vessel. Initially believed to be military devices or covert Russian experiments, further research uncovered that these formations relocate annually. Eventually, their true purpose was revealed. These are fish farming structures, similar to mussel farms in New Zealand, used to cultivate seafood for commercial purposes. Algeria's unexplained geometric patterns. One of the most puzzling discoveries on Google Earth is found in the Sahara Desert of Algeria, a network of perfectly square formations, each measuring 250 meters across. Stranger still, within these squares are visible excavation sites, with tracks indicating heavy machinery activity. Connecting these squares creates a massive circular design, leading some to speculate about oil exploration. However, these formations, though present since 1985, only became geometrically structured in 2020. If you have any theories about these peculiar sites, share your thoughts in the comments. That concludes our thrilling journey through Google Earth's strangest locations. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share,